Chakri, good to have you on the show. We'll let you go on that note. Have a good weekend. CK, I'm just going to come to you after wrapping the market action. 0.7% higher. We could have pushed a little more had names like Reliance Industries perhaps participated in today's move. IT also, although it recovered lost ground, but HCL Tech, for instance, on its earnings day has managed a loss of about almost 4% coming in, pretty much in the similar lines of what you saw on Wipro as well as TCS, I beg your pardon, Infosys yesterday after its numbers. The breadth, though, has managed to outperform the benchmark indexes today, is going in favor of the advances. 113 stocks standing to the advances as we speak. Metals clearly was a star performer today, from a JSW to a Jindal to a Tata Steel. They've all held out well. Real estate as well was a big mover today, with DLF posting gains of about 5.5%. And then, of course, banks as well did their bit. HDFC Bank is going strong into its earnings tomorrow. You also have the likes of an Axis, Kotak, SBI as well, which have held out quite smartly. And Infosys, IndusInd Bank, TechM, ICICI Bank, Bharti have finally recovered some of their lost ground. From within the liquid universe as well, it's really been a story all about metals and Voltas as well, which has managed a good show. Mindtree fell today. UPL, even though it's recovered somewhat from the lows of the day, still goes home with a 7.5% loss. Z and PVR are the other ones which lost a fair bit today. Abha?
Yep, interesting week, isn't it? When we've had such a sharp fall yesterday, today, of course, a smattering back in action. I mean, volatility, as CK said, but it's also the flavor of the market which remains interesting. So apart from IT and pharma, of course, but today we had metals rebounding and a whole host of those names that stood out: Tata Steel, JSW, Hindalco. We've had pharma inch back up today after yesterday's cool off. Muthoot was definitely one that was in favor as well. And from the financials, some select names like a Kotak Mahindra Bank, for instance, have been standing out this week. Some cement majors, SBI up 1.5% today. And then you have the likes of an Apollo Hospital, for example, continuing to trade steady, and some recovery coming in Tata Motors as well after yesterday's fall. On the downside, UPL, Route Mobiles down 7-8%. And a few of those IT majors remained a little lackluster as well. So that's really the overall feel of the market.